I would like to welcome you to the second International Railway Conference and Expo under the aegis of the Nigerian Ministry of Transportation, with a theme that speaks to railway development in the 21st century and a call for collaboration. I sincerely welcome you to a robust discussion on opportunities and challenges in railway development in Africa.
Railways symbolize something even greater, the key to unlocking our continental potential. With the African Continental Free Trade Area as our backdrop, the call for enhanced connectivity has never been more urgent. This conference is not just about rail infrastructure. It is about prosperity, integration, and Africa's rightful place in the global economy.
Ladies and gentlemen, the railway is not just about cargo or revenue. It is about national unity. A young student traveling from Maiduguri to Abuja, a family conveying from Kaduna to Lagos, or trader moving between Port Harcourt and Kano. These journeys weave our people together. Railway give Nigerians the confidence that the nation is connected, safe, and accessible.
Your Excellencies, Your Royal Majesties, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the challenge ahead of us is to lead this race as the logistics hub of Africa by reviving and revitalizing our railway services. We must be conscious of our place as the anchor of West Africa's economy and home to the continent's largest population as we prepare for the adoption of modern railway infrastructure.
Your Excellency, the President, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, gave us renewed hope. De-Sadel went to work with great faith to add to the hope with works that establish the high-speed rail project initiative. The high-speed rail is designed to run at 350 kilometers per hour. In other words, from Lagos to Abuja, it will be 2 hours, 30 minutes straight. And from Abuja to Port Harcourt will be 2 hours. From Abuja to Kano will be 2 hours. In the small cities, if you leave Abuja to Benue State, it's going to be 30 minutes. And if you leave Abuja to Kaduna State, it will be 30 minutes. Abuja to Enugu, about an hour. So the high-speed rail is designed with a modern infrastructure to take Nigeria into a new world. And that's what the project is meant to be.
The high-speed rail will unlock new economic corridors where gas-based industries such as fertilizer plants, petrochemicals, methanol production, and compressed natural gas CNG hubs can flourish, transforming rail-connected cities into vibrant industrial growth centers.
On behalf of CCECC, I extend my warmest greetings and deepest appreciation to the organizers, partners, and all participants who have come together to make this important occasion possible. At CCECC, we firmly believe that railways are the backbone of sustainable development. They connect people to opportunities, link markets across regions, and lay the foundation for industrial and social transformation.